I decided to pursue my MBA at the Feliciano School of Business because of the program's great reputation and the amazing opportunities that it creates for its students. The program offers students such a well-rounded experience, getting to explore so many different aspects of the business world, and I just knew that this was the perfect place to expand my knowledge, strengthen my skills, and just open the door to more possibilities for the future. One project that really helped me in my current role was in my social and media marketing class with Dr. Petrali Chatterjee. In this project, we got to develop and launch our own marketing campaigns, from ideation to content development, launch, and then analyzing the results. And I was taking this class right when I started working in social media marketing, and it was a really cool experience getting to see strategies that I was learning in the classroom and put them directly into my work and seeing how it improved it. My absolute favorite memory from the MBA program has to be the international trip I took with my cohort. We went to Morocco and Spain, and in each location we visited multiple different companies and got to see the things that we were learning about international business actually play out in real life and see how culture shapes business. The main part of this experience was the opportunity to work on a consulting project for an international company. So we were tasked with developing a business plan, channeled our diverse skill sets, and then actually presented this work to the company. This experience gave me real-world problem-solving skills that I know will help me navigate diverse business environments in the future. This program has challenged me in all the right ways, helping me develop into a more well-rounded person academically, personally, and professionally.